Page 14, Angels We Have Heard on High. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats. We're going to use all the white keys here. Let's see what we got, starting with the right hand, because we got eighth notes all over. It's not too bad at the beginning, they're quarter notes. Third finger on the E puts us in this position. We won't stay there, but that's where we're going to start. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And that's that page. Let's go over to 15. Now, you finished 14 here, and they want fourth finger at the top of page 15 here. You can lift up, it's between phrases, and just move the hand up one. Here. We need silence, so you can lift up before you play the G. So really just lift up and move. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And on that last measure there in the first line, that is a third finger on that E. So just come down, scrunch up a little, and put the E on it, the third finger on it. 2 and. This is another way we move around on piano. We can crawl around. Then you do the same thing. At the third line, you're coming back up where you were and do it all again. It's not too bad, I hope. And the left hand, keep the left hand soft for most of it, because the left hand's just accompaniment. You have C and a G, so you're in this position, and then here, half notes shouldn't be a problem, and then quarter notes, and then at the top of page 15, you have a rest on the fourth beat, and that's important. So 1, 2, 3, rest. Make sure you play that rest. Be quiet. You play a rest by being quiet. And then the second line, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Because it's melody, you get to play this a little louder. You get the same thing in the first measure, the last line. Those two spots, the left hand can play louder because it's melody. Everything else, the left hand needs to play softly. Let's put the hands together and see what happens. So at the beginning, you're here. So it's not too bad so far. Now, 1 and 2. Then lift up in the left hand. You got a quarter rest there, and then here. See that measure? They're not playing the same rhythm. You got here. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. Then the second line is the same as that. Let's go over to page 15. You're up here. 1 and 2 and 3 and don't forget to play the rest in the left hand. It's so important. 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 4 and. So you get that. That's it. You get that much and you pretty much got it. Dynamic wise, it starts out, what do you think? It's sort of loud, not too loud, and then when you get to the top of page 15, this is a loud part. That's the right hand. You keep the left hand down a little bit, and you finish it up loud on pretty much. Not really loud, just loud. Speed wise, it says with spirit. You can find recordings of it. Top of page 15. You have to take it at your speed, your spirit, not mine. It's more important to play it accurately. It's got to be there, no hesitations, no wrong notes. Everything's got to be there. The eighth note's got to be even. Don't make them jagged or anything because you can't control it. Now, you need to be practicing the C major scale. That will help you gain that control to be able to play these kinds of things evenly. Controlled. The scales will do that for you. So you have to take it your speed. Don't go beyond that. Especially if anybody's listening. If you're by yourself, who cares? But if there's anybody who can hear you, don't torture them. Let's go through this very slowly together to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm going to give us 4 counts. So you're going to start with the hands here. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and. And 4. 4 and. Four and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 1 and 2 3 and 4 and 1 2 3 rest.